In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow hashtags on LinkedIn. This simple process will enhance your LinkedIn experience, filling your feed with content that truly matters to you and helps you stay inspired and informed every day. Let's dive into it. To begin, open up your web browser and head to LinkedIn.com. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to do so now. You can sign in using options like Google or Microsoft, if they are more convenient for you. Or simply go with your traditional email and password combination. However, for those who haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do that first to unlock the doors to LinkedIn's vast array of professional networking opportunities. And if you're someone who values security and has enabled two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves entering a code that they send to your phone. So keep your device nearby to swiftly complete this step. Now that you're all logged in and verified, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn feed, which is bustling with all kinds of professional activities. Cast your eyes toward the top of your homepage and you'll spot the search bar. Here is where the magic begins. Click on it and type in the hashtag you're keen on following. For example, you might type in something like hashtag marketing or any other hashtag that aligns with your professional interests or curiosity. This is a key step in discovering discussions tailored to your goals and industry needs. Once you've entered your hashtag, your search results will unfold, presenting content linked to that tag. Now, click on the hashtag among your search results, which will transport you to the dedicated page for your chosen hashtag. Explore this page thoroughly, as it contains a variety of posts that provide insights and conversations on the topic at hand. It's a trove of valuable information from professionals like you. On this page, look over to the right-hand side, and you'll see a blue follow button. Click on it, and just like that, you've committed to following this hashtag. By doing so, posts containing this tag will start appearing in your feed, ensuring that you stay updated on the latest trends, news, and discussions happening within your industry. And there you have it. You now know how to follow hashtags on LinkedIn. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to make your social media feed more dynamic and finely tuned to your professional interests and aspirations. Remember, LinkedIn permits you to follow multiple hashtags, so feel free to repeat these steps and further customize your experience.